Hey everyone, season's greetings from Long Island. I'm here today to bring you another holiday recipe. So even though everyone's into gingerbread and peppermint right now, I can't get over pumpkin. So today I'm gonna bring you one of my sister's favorite recipes, pumpkin delight. So let's get in the kitchen and get baking. So not to worry, you won't need a pumpkin this big, but you will need a can of pumpkin puree, 1 can of evaporated milk, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a ½ teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 salted sticks of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 3 large eggs, and a box of yellow cake mix. So for this recipe, the yellow cake mix will be saved for last, as well as the butter. So first things you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your can of pumpkin puree, the evaporated milk, the cinnamon, the vanilla extract, the ground nutmeg, the 3 eggs, and the sugar. So after you're done mixing the first part, you're gonna pour it into the pan like this. So that's gonna be the first layer, and then you're gonna add the butter and the yellow cake mix on top. So after you drizzle the butter on top, it's time to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. And then after you take it out of the oven, you're gonna put it in the fridge to let it set for 1 hour. So let's get this baby in there. So after you've taken your pumpkin delight out of the oven and left it in the fridge for 1 hour, it's going to be time to serve. Look at this. It should look like a golden brown crust, and it is optional, but I do recommend it. Whipped cream. Let's serve it up. So now that your pumpkin delight is cut up, all you have to do is serve it and pile on the whipped cream. I hope you guys enjoy my holiday recipe, and I hope your holiday guests enjoy some pumpkin delight.